In today's video, I'm testing out the 3-day packing method from Tripped. So I am going to use their method on how to pack the perfect travel capsule wardrobe for my upcoming trip. I'm going to be heading to Arizona in a couple weeks for my birthday, but also I'm going to be doing a conference that I'm super excited about. And so I thought this would be the perfect time to test out this 3-day method. And I want to thank Tripped for sponsoring this video. They've sent me compression cubes, which I'm super excited to try because even though I always travel with only a carry-on, I've never actually used compression cubes. So they have a whole system that they use with their compression cubes with this 3-day packing method, and I'm going to try it today. Now, when it comes to packing, I am all about efficiency. I want to bring the least amount of things, but make sure I have everything I need. So this method is broken down into 3 days. The first day they call the essential day. So this is if you were gonna only pack for 1 day of your trip, what would you pack? And this is everything. This includes if you get up in the morning and the first thing you do is you go and work out, well, you need to pack workout clothes. And then you come back and you shower, well, you need to get a new pair of underwear and new socks. And you really pack everything you can possibly need for an essential day. Then the second day they call the everyday. This is kind of your average day at your location. Think about what you're going to be doing on this trip. So for me on this trip, I'm going to be in a conference, I'm going to be networking and meeting people. I'm going to be listening to speakers and probably sitting for a lot of the time. And then in the evening, we're probably going to be going to dinners and socializing even more. And the third day they call the travel day. So everything you need for your actual travel day. So since I'm in California and Arizona is only about a 4 or 5 hour drive, I'm actually gonna drive myself there. But I basically pack the same if I'm driving or if I'm flying. I still really only wanna bring 1 carry-on suitcase and then a travel bag. So for my essential day, I'm gonna be waking up, getting dressed, and I'll probably go out, grab a coffee on my way to the conference. So I'm gonna pull the look that I'm gonna be wearing for most of the day. And since my trip is next month in December, and it's probably gonna be even a little bit cooler than it is now, I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna pack so that it can work for cooler weather. I'm gonna start with my cashmere sweater dress, and I'm gonna style that with my over-the-knee boots. And I'm gonna wanna bring my crossbody bag. I'm gonna need underwear and socks. And I'm gonna need my sunglasses. And then also I wanna bring a jacket. So I'm gonna bring my leather jacket. All right, so this is a good essential outfit. I feel like I can take the jacket off if I get too warm, but I also feel like I'll be super comfortable because this dress is so comfortable. All right, and then after the conference, I am probably gonna wanna go for a run and just kind of integrate everything I'm learning. So for my run, I'm gonna make sure I have my workout pants, a sports bra, a top, and I always wear a little hat when I'm running, especially if the sun is out. So there's that. I'm gonna wear the same socks I wore from this morning. I'm fine with that. And I'm gonna bring my running sneakers. And then after, I'll come back to my room and I'll wanna shower, and then we'll probably be going out to dinner. So for dinner, I definitely wanna look even a little bit more dressier. I think I'm gonna do one of my favorite dresses, and I'm gonna wear this with my over-the-knee boots, which I already have, and I think I'm gonna pair it with this jacket. I think that's a really great outfit for the evening. And I'll need to get a new pair of underwear and a pair of socks for after I shower and put that outfit on. And then when I come back to my room, I'm gonna wanna change into some cozy PJs. And I feel like I always get cold, especially at night, so I definitely wanna bring my warm, cozy, fuzzy socks. So that is everything for day 1. Oh wait, I have to bring my toiletries. I love this little toiletry bag from Tripped. I think it's super cute. It's pink, which of course is one of my favorite colors. And it has so many compartments, so many places to store things. So I have put some of my makeup, I've put some of my skincare items. So that is a definite thing that will be coming as well. And I also want to make sure to pack my curling iron for my hair. Okay, I think that's everything I need for my essential day. And I'm not gonna need to pack any extra jewelry because I basically wear my jewelry all the time. So I'm just gonna have it on. So next I'm gonna pull for the everyday. So I'm gonna move my essential day down. Again, it's what am I gonna be doing on an average day? So for me, I'm gonna be waking up, grabbing a coffee on my way to this conference where again, I'll be networking with other people, sitting for a lot of the time, listening to speakers. So I wanna look put together, but I also wanna be comfortable. So I am gonna grab my Los Angeles t-shirt so people know where I'm from. And it's also a good conversation starter. And I'm gonna wear it with my silk midi skirt. And I want to style it with the black jacket that I've already pulled for my essential day. So I'm gonna wear that with that. And I could wear my over-the-knee boots that I've already packed for my essential day, but instead I want to wear my Veja sneakers. I think it'll just be fun and be really comfortable. So I'm going to need to pack clean underwear and extra socks. And then after the conference is done, I'm going to go back to my room and I'm sure I'm going to want to go for a run. So I want to pack another running outfit. So I have my running bottoms, my sports bra. I already packed my hat and my sneakers from my essential day. So I just need these. And then when I come back to my room, I'll need a shower. So I'll need a clean pair of underwear. And then we'll probably, again, go to a dinner, a networking dinner. So I want to figure out what I'm going to wear for the dinner. So I think I'm going to wear my cashmere gray v-neck sweater. And it's a little bit oversized, which is perfect because then I can pair it with my black faux leather leggings. And I'm gonna wear it with my over-the-knee boots that I've already packed because I think that just really works. And I'm gonna add a black blazer to that look to just kind of add a little bit more polish. And because the sweater's a little oversized, I think it'll help draw everything in and just give me that extra polish that I want. And I'm gonna use the same bag. I'm gonna use my black crossbody bag that I've already packed from my essential day. All right, and then when I get back to my room, I'll change into my pajamas, which I already have. I'll pack an extra pair of fuzzy socks, and I did forget. I wanted to make sure I needed a pair of underwear for my evening outfit. So that's for my everyday. And for the third day, my travel day, I definitely want to be comfortable. I want to make sure I have something that I can wear with a layer and take a layer off if I get too hot or put the layer back on if I get too cold. I always feel like my temperature fluctuates a lot when I'm traveling. So especially going from California to Arizona, it might actually be a different temperature. I want to pack something super comfortable. So I'm going to pack this black A Goldie tank. And in case I get cold, I'll bring this cardigan sweater. And I'm just going to style that with my super comfortable high-waisted dark wash straight slim leg jeans because for me jeans are super comfortable, and so I will pair that together. And I'm just going to wear that with my Vejas because they're really comfortable. And for my travel day, I'm also going to bring this little pouch from Tripped. It's super cute. It has so many compartments, like so many compartments for everything. So I'm going to pack just the things I want next to me when I'm driving. So I'm going to have my tissues, my chapstick, I'm gonna put my glasses for the road, and I'm also gonna put my computer charger, because who knows, maybe I'll stop, I'll need a little break along the way, and I'll wanna do a little bit of work. And I'm also gonna bring my phone charger. I love that all of these things fit in here. Amazing. And there's still so much room. The other thing I love about this 3-day packing method is that for each day, you're allowed to bring one what if item. So if you're going somewhere and maybe you're not sure how cold it's gonna be, your what if item can be something like a heavy chunky sweater, or maybe it's a heavy coat. Whatever it may be, every day you get to pack one what if item. So I am going to think about my what if items. So for my essential day, my what if item is going to be a cashmere ivory sweater. So I can put this on over my dress if I get really cold, and it'll still look really cute because it'll just look like a sweater and a skirt. For my everyday what if item, I'm going to pack a silk blouse just because I love silk blouses, and I feel like I can definitely wear this with the black faux leather leggings and my over-the-knee boots for dinner. So I feel like that's a really great alternative in case I don't feel like wearing a sweater. And for my travel day, my what if item is my black cotton jumpsuit. It's super comfortable, and just in case I don't want to wear jeans that day and I just want to be even more cozy, I can wear this, and I can wear it with the cardigan I've already packed and my beige sneakers. So I think that's just a great what if item. So this is everything I ended up with for my 3 days, which I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. And it's actually not too many items, but I still feel like I have so many options for things to wear, and I can mix and match these pieces so easily. And I want to show you some of the ways that I've styled these pieces. And I love that I can just leave this open also for when I actually get to where I'm going and how I feel on that day. What I love so much about this 3-day packing method is that you can create so many outfits. It's not just the 3-day outfits, but there's so many ways you can mix and match these pieces. So I'm gonna start with packing my essential day. So I'm gonna start with the toiletry bag, and it also comes with another little pouch that fits right in there. And it has its own little hanger for when you get to where you're going to hang it up. All right, so I'm gonna put that in here. And then my pouch is gonna be with me in the car, so I'm gonna leave that separate. I'm gonna start with one of the bigger compression bags. It's color coded, so it has a white zipper for when you are packing, and the gray zipper is the extender, because the little pouches, the cubes actually expand. And now I'm gonna pack my essential items. I'm gonna roll this up. I feel like I've never packed before. How weird is that? It's a totally different way of packing. There's still a lot of room in here. And then, let's see, I'm gonna close the extender, and then it's gonna become really compact. Look at this little pouch. Oh my goodness. It's also could probably make a really nice pillow. All right, so I'll put that in there. I guess I'll put all my running gear together. Maybe I'll try this pouch. So I'll open the extender. All right, let's see if this will fit in here. This looks really tiny, but I don't know. We'll try it. And my hat that I like to wear when I'm running outside. Wow, there's still a lot of room in here. All right, I think I'm gonna close it up though. How did I ever pack without these little things? Okay, this is amazing, and it's like playing Tetris, my favorite thing. So now I want to pack my everyday, and I think I'm going to use the other big compression cube. There's a lot of room in there. Let me close this cube up, close the extender. So easy. There we go. Woo! All right, and maybe I'll move this over here, and still a lot of room on there on that side. And then we'll put this over here. Well, my travel day is what I'm wearing, but I'll pack my jumpsuit since I'm probably not gonna actually wear that for my travel day. I'll put my jumpsuit in this cube, and I'm gonna put my pajamas in there, my socks, and my fuzzy socks for nighttime. I may have overstuffed this one a little bit, but it still closes. All right, these actually will fit. Both of these will fit on this side. Okay, this is amazing. So let's pack. I think I'm out of the big compression cubes, but that's okay. I'm gonna pack my blazer and my leather jacket on this side here. This awesome little cube, I can put my curling iron in. I only have 2 pairs of shoes to pack because I'm going to be wearing my beige sneakers on my travel day. So I'm gonna pack my sneakers, and I like to keep my shoe bags to pack my shoes. That's a personal thing that I like to do. So put that one in there. Over the knee boots. So what I've done in the past when I've wanted to travel with these is I've typically worn them just because they're tall and they take up a lot of room. But I feel like because of the compression cubes, I have a lot of extra space, and I think these will actually fit. Let's see if I'm right. Let me put my shoes on the bottom. My leather jacket can go right on top. I think my blazer will definitely fit on this side. All right. And my laundry bag, and everything is so organized. This is amazing. And these packing cubes come in a set of 6, and what you get is 4 different size packing cubes, 2 of the smaller ones and 2 of the larger ones. And you get this little bag, and you get a little laundry bag, which is awesome. And if dusty pink isn't your color, it comes in navy blue, it comes in gray, it comes in white, and it even comes in a dusty teal. I will never not pack without compression cubes again. So thanks again to Tripped for sponsoring this video. I loved the 3-day packing method. It was so easy to put together outfits, to pack everything I needed, and even some plus items that I would have never even thought about bringing, but it's nice to have that flexibility. And if you love this 3-day packing method as much as I do, I definitely recommend trying it for your next trip. And if you don't have any compression cubes, I will leave the link for these packing cubes down in the description box. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week.